Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike, innovative garage door. I'm going to show you CHI Accents Natural Oak. Okay, this is one of the lighter tones of the CHI Accent series. You can see this here matches that brick and the grout really good. And this is long panel. You do have a shadow line on there from the overhang, but this is a real juicy one here, right by the stinking golf course. We've been dodging golf balls all day. They've been freaking coming in like crazy nutcases. Basically, this is the 4283. So if you haven't seen one of those videos, go check out 4283. It's the exact same. It's a 2-inch thick door. Okay, look at that. Just beautiful. Nice raised panel on the long panel. Gonna trim it off with a weather strip here. I'll bring you in. We open this up. Here we go. Real quick. Okay, we have our textbook 14 gauge hardware. 13 ball skirted nylon wheel. All right. Got the good torsion springs. 12-inch radius tracks. And we're gonna put in a new opener here. Chamberlain. Belt drive. This is our new hot seller. This is an awesome opener. 659 bucks. 2 remotes, keypad, belt drive, guaranteed for life on the belt, motor. 1 year parts, labor warranty, and 1 year on the electronics. This is a home run here. And we got some more deals coming up real soon, our belt drive openers and chain drives, but that's another video. So here we are, 2-inch thick, steel on the back, polystyrene. There's the thickness right here, the door, 2 inches thick, okay. Awesome door if you want a natural oak look. There we go. Natural oak, CHIs, beautiful. Looking for this or mahogany, driftwood, carbon fiber, whatever you want. We got all the accents. 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Thank you for watching. You guys are great for watching. Thanks for tuning in to another innovative garage door video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our Accents CHI Natural Oak Long Panel 4283 Garage Door video.